Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Efficient clue-based route search on road networks. In our process system, a personalized route query is issued by providing some clues that describe the successive paths between source and destination points of user choice to travel. Thus, two major aspects of work is visualized. It involves admin and data user. Admin here aspects the New York road dataset. Thus updates a weather report for each city in New York. He or she maintains user details. User enrolls with the basic details to login. Once login, he or she can view the distance and time duration between the source and destination of their choice. This successfully displays the route paths to travel and its address to reach the destination. It also includes the latitude and longitude values of such places. User also views the weather report of this place to visit. This improves the efficiency by effectively providing the route path, and it's clearly viewed in Google Map. Here is the flow of a process. Here two types of aspects are performed, like server and user. Server login to aspect the route path dataset of New York, and the other type of process is to update the weather report, which will allow the user to view the weather report of their choice. User registers with the basic details and then login to search the route path to travel, like source and destination paths. He also views the exact location of the source path. He or she can also view the exact location of the destination path. Between route paths is also clearly viewed in Google Map in different types of views, like satellite view, hybrid satellite view, terrain view, hybrid terrain view, etc. He or she also views the weather report of the source and destination place. In between, landmark to reach destination is also clearly viewed by the user. Thank you. Here is our demo process. Now let's start our process. This is the main home page. Here two aspects, like admin and user process, is performed. Now the admin login to update the weather report of every city in New York, which is as mentioned in the paper, to get New York dataset. So here are the list of New York cities. Now for example, I'm selecting New York City, and we can update the weather report for New York City. Secondly, he or she views the route. For example, now I'm entering the name of the city, New York. And we can find the exact location of our source. This is the latitude and longitude value of New York City. Now we can go to the location, and this is clearly viewed in Google Map, which can be furthermore clearly seen by adding a marker to it. So thus now we can see the source place exactly, and we can also add to clearly view more. We can use this show center option. So exactly this is the location of New York. So admin can also view other processes, like this is taken from the data set. So this can be origin place and destination place, and you can also view the address. So landmark, etc. can be viewed exactly. And the other process is to view the user details. Here already 2 users have been registered with our application. So here the admin adds the image for the New York City. For example, now I'm adding the image for Yonkers. Browse image, Yonkers. Now this Yonkers image is uploaded successfully. So now again user registers with the basic details. Once the registration is performed, user can log in. Now I'm using the already registered user login ID and password. So once login, user can view the places of their choice in New York as given in the paper. Now for example, I'm selecting the New York City from here, and the other I'm selecting Brooklyn. So New York City and Brooklyn is clearly viewed. Now we can to travel. In order to travel, we need to know the distance and time duration to reach from the source place to destination place. This can be successfully viewed. So the distance between them is just 24 minutes, 7.8 kilometer, and the time duration is just 24 minutes between New York City and Brooklyn. Now we can view the route path between them through this. So our source place is New York City. As usual, we can find the path. We can go to location. So here is the latitude and longitude value for New York City. Now we can go to the location and we can add a marker to it. We can see the central position of it. Now again I am entering the source place as New York City as we have chosen already. Also increasing the zoom value. Here it is Brooklyn. We are adding the route to it. So exactly this is the route. You can zoom it and view it clearly from Brooklyn and New York, the route path between them. So here is the exact route path. So totally it's taking 24 minutes, right? So this is the time duration exactly, and it is clearly viewed. This can be even more clear. In between New York and Brooklyn, there is a Brooklyn Bridge, etc. Now here admin can also, the user can also view the weather report. For example, the weather report for Mount Vernon is temperature 9 degrees Celsius and for New York City is 15 degrees Celsius. So admin can view the weather report of their place. New York City, then it's for Brooklyn, it is 14 degrees Celsius. So as the temperature is normal, the user can go to the source and destination place. Thus the travel route path is successfully viewed and also the weather report is viewed. Now the user can choose the source place as well as destination place according to their choice effectively. So thank you.